So, good morning, sir. Today we're going to do the power generation from COLDSHIP. Initial condition, COLDSHIP, process directory, F1 to run the simulator. Okay. First step,
Chief Engineer Magistrado, Michipuman Ebio speaking. Kindly go to MD70 emergency generator.
okay.
Then start emergency generator on engine control.
Next,
Then switch on the voltage control, then check the voltage and frequency.
okay.
Then next is put emergency generator control to auto.
Okay. Then,
Go to MD73 emergency switchboard.
okay.
This is Midshipman Figueroa. Midshipman Maestrado, can you put all breaker in on freedom panels, including the emergency transformer inlet breaker?
Okay.
Then you will go to MD71, the main switchboard.
Okay.
Okay, then
Next, 71.
go to 71 main switchboard feeder. Then put all breaker in on main switchboard.
Okay.
Then next go to 72. Go to 72, then put all breakers in.
Okay. Okay, next.
Next is go to MD40 to start the ER fan, number 2 supply, and exhaust fan.
Okay. Next.
I'm Cadet Panganiban, Chief Engineer Almorpe. Ay,
Maestrado. Okay, what is the next procedure?
Medyo Panganiban, Chief Engineer Maestrado. Go to MD01, seawater system.
Okay.
Then open seawater overboard valve.
Okay.
Then open low suction sea chest inlet valve.
Okay, next.
Then open DG1 and 2,
Okay.
FW coolers, SW shut-off valve, and FW coolers number 1.
Okay. Then,
Then open seawater recirculation line
okay.
shut-off valve.
Then, next.
Midshipman Domingo speaking. So, Chief Engineer Maestrado,
Okay.
put temperature control to auto mode.
Okay.
Start auxiliary SW pump.
Okay.
Then go to the MD59 and start air system.
59. Okay.
Open emergency start air receiver inlet valve and outlet valve.
Okay. Next.
Then open diesel generator 1 and 2. Start air supply valve.
Okay.
Midshipman Rodriguez,
Okay.
open diesel generator 1 and 2, start air supply value.
Okay.
Put emergency compressor to local control.
Okay.
Start emergency compressor by pressing on until receiver. Pressure to at least 20 bars.
Okay.
Put emergency compressor to remote control.
Sige, okay lang muna. Diyan lang muna. Hintayin muna natin ma-reach niya yung 20 bars. So we already reached the 20 bars. What is the next procedure? Step.
Put emergency compressor to remote control.
Okay. Then,
Go to MD75 diesel generator number 1.
75. Okay.
Check lube oil sump tank level. Minimum level 30% and maximum 80%.
Okay. So, hintayin muna natin siya ma-reach ng maximum ng 80. Okay. Next step.
Carol speaking. Next step is open lube oil filter number 1.
Okay. Then,
Then manually start the lube oil priming pump.
okay. Then,
Then check the level of expansion tank. Fill up the tank to normal level. If there is no water flow, go to MD67 and open appropriate valves.
since okay naman siya, may dali siya ng tubig, di na tayo pupunta sa daluyan sa distilled water sa 67. So, ano yung next?
Okay. So the next one is switch on the electric preheater with a set point of 75 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Then open number 1 DO filter.
Okay.
So that chief engineer may done cadet Duran. Next procedure is open pump sanction valve fuel.
Okay.
Then go to MD05 HFO service tanks.
Okay.
Next is open DO suction valve from DO service tanks.
Okay.
Next is open DO supply valve to DG1 and 2.
Okay. Next.
Midshipman Nanay speaking. Go to the engine control panel and press start.
Okay.
Observe the change of all parameters. RPM should be 905N.
Okay. So, hintayin muna natin to ma-reach ng 905. Okay, what is next? The next step? Next step?
Number now.
Next step.
Next step, put auto mode.
Okay. Next na. Lalo na sa 76 na tayo. Sa 40, number 40 na.
Put LO, priming pump to auto.
Okay, next.
Put the engine control to the remote.
Okay. Then,
Midshipwoman Ebio speaking.
okay.
Chief Engineer Magistrado, kindly go to MD-76 diesel generator number 2.
Okay.
Then line up diesel generator number 2, same as diesel generator number 1. Then start diesel generator number 2.
Okay. Since kung paano yung ginawa sa diesel generator 1, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin sa So, open lang natin yung bulb dito. Then, hintayin natin siya ma-reach yung 80. Open. Preheater on. Open the diesel generator 2, filter 1. Then, shut off bulb. Engine control start. Put preheater into auto. Then, pump control into auto. After that, engine control to remote. Okay, next step.
Next is go to MD-70 electric power plant.
Okay.
Then press voltage control on of diesel generator 1 and 2.
Okay.
Then observe the voltage and frequency output. Requirements should be 440 volts and 60 hertz.
Okay.
Then go to MD 141.
MD 141. Okay.
Main switchboard diesel generator 1. Check the frequency and the voltage, pressing either RS, ST, TR, and current by pressing either RST.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Midshipman Figueroa. Next is press the synchro-scope button and select DG1, then connect the breaker.
DG1, then connect to breaker. Okay. Next.
Then the next step is go to MD01
MD01.
and then start the auxiliary pump again.
Auxiliary pump.
Then go to MD72, the main switchboard feeders.
Okay.
Main transformer inlet breaker in, go to MD01 and
Okay.
start the SW or TRP number 1, then put to remote.
Okay.
Then the next step is go to MD143, the main switchboard diesel generation 2.
43. Okay.
Then check the frequency and the voltage by pressing either RS, ST, TR, and current by pressing either R, S, and T.
Okay.
Then press the synchro-scope button, then select DG2, then adjust the frequency to a clockwise direction
Okay. Wait.
and connect at 11 o'clock. switch off the
Okay.
CMOS.
Then,
Cadet Panganiban speaking. The next step is go to MD101
okay.
power chip generator control. Press connect auto
Okay. Then,
prior one for diesel generator and prior to for diesel generator 2.
okay. What is next procedure?
Go to MD40 to start all
MD40. Okay.
ER fan supply and Nexus fans.
Next.
Then go to MD10.
Okay.
Freshwater system. Open LTFW cooler number 1. Shut off valve.
Okay.
Then the next, open LTFW FWC 1 and 2 bypass valve and air compressor cooler shut off valve.
Okay. Then,
Then start LTFW pump number 1. Then switch to remote.
okay.
Cadet Domingo speaking. Chief Engineer Maestrado.
Okay.
Go to MD59 then start air system. Prepare the air compressor number 1 and 2 using receiver number 1 and 2. Then go to MD60 service
Wait lang.
air system.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Okay. 60 next.
Go to MD60 service air system
Okay.
and prepare the service air compressor in preparation for boiler operation.
Next.
Go to MD102 power shift pumps and compressors control.
Okay.
Put SW pump and LTFW pump to auto mode
Okay.
and put all air compressor to auto mode.
Okay. Next.
Then go to MD84 boiler combustion.
MD84. MD. Okay.
I'm Shipman Rodriguez. Manually put 100% to airflow controller. Observe the opening of damper to 100%.
Okay, wait lang. Tayin muna natin ma-reach niya yung 100%. Okay, what is the next step?
Push start button of Virgin. The button will remain pressed when Virgin is in progress.
Okay, wait lang. Okay, next step tayo.
When Virgin is finished, put 10% to airflow controller. Observe the damper position in 10%.
20%?
10.
10? Okay. Wait lang saglit. 10%, no?
Ah,
Okay. Then,
manual put 20% to fuel oil controller.
okay.
Push burner 1 on when damper position is 10%. Use diesel.
Next.
Next, Eroles speaking. Chief Engineer Magistrado, reset the boiler trip.
Okay.
Then, put airflow controller to auto.
Airflow.
Then, put fuel oil controller to auto.
Okay. Airflow.
Si oxygen controller din, auto. Tsaka si
Okay.
master controller.
Okay. Wait lang. Ah, wait lang. Okay, next. Next tayo.
So, next one is Chief Engineer Maisado and Cadet Duran. Next one is go to MD-05, open HFO supply valves to boiler.
Okay. Then,
Next is go to MD-84, start HFO supply pump.
wait lang. Next.
Next is open steam inlet valve to heater.
Wait lang. Hintayin lang natin to ma-reach niya yung 90. Then, next tayo sa um, malapit na mag-exercise 5. Hintayin lang natin to. Okay, next tayo.
Okay, next is open steam tracing valve.
Okay.
Then put your cursor and press burner management and pop-up window appear.
Okay. Next.
Midshipman Nainay speaking. Check,
Okay.
check the requirements that is on, not yet on.
Okay. So, lahat naman naka-on. Yung ready na lang yung hindi. Para ma-ready yung burner management. Okay, next.
Open automizing steam valve.
Okay, wait lang. Lipat lang natin siya ng H2O. Kaya lang. Okay, ano yung next?
If all requirements are on except the HFO, select valve, put cursor to three-way valve to select from DO to HFO and press passive button.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Shift a switch atomizer from air to steam.
Wait lang. Okay.
Next, when burner management is ready, press on.
Okay. Then, next tayo. Ano na tayo? Exercise 5 na. Sige. Okay na. Exercise number 5. So, go to MD05 HFO service tank 05 service tank. Then open suction valve of diesel oil storage tank and shut off valve. Ayun, maklik. Wait lang ah. Then, wait. Ayun, okay na. Then, open the discharge valve to diesel oil service tank. Okay, next.
Thales speaking.
Okay.
Go to MD08 to diesel oil purifier.
Okay.
Start the
Then,
purifier motor by pressing on.
wait lang. Wait. Okay. 86 on start time. Ayun. Okay. Okay, next tayo.
Next is start diesel oil feed pump and change the flow rate to 50%.
Okay. Then,
Then open steam inlet valve to heater.
okay.
Then put to temperature control to auto with a set point of 58 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
I'm Midshipman Rodriguez. Open hot water sealing valve.
Okay.
Fill up operating water tank to normal level.
Okay.
Put,
Then,
put purifier control to auto.
okay. Ayan. So, tapos na yung exercise. Umaandar na yung purifier natin. Burner. Okay na. Tapos na.
So, thank you for listening po. Recorded na yung pre.
Stop mo na lang yung record. Stop mo. Pindutin mo yung tatlo, tapos sabay stop recording.